If you'd like to connect Binance to Koinly, here's how to do it. We'll be taking it from the beginning so you can follow through. So we're here on Koinly.io and we're going to click on sign up. And you might not get to this page exactly, but you might see a page where you need to provide some information. Now, all the information you need to provide are definitely with you. So you just simply need to follow through. And once you get to this page, you see the add wallets option. And then of course, we want to select Binance. Select Binance. And then you can see wallet name, Binance. And then you can see let's import some data. Click Setup Auto Sync, which is recommended, of course. So we're going to click on Auto Sync, and here you'll be required to provide your Binance API key and API secret. Now, if this is not news to you, great. But if this is news to you and you're wondering how you can get your API key and API secret, simply come over here and you see some instructions. You could read through these instructions, or of course you could click on the video to watch how you can do it yourself. For example, if you head over to Binance on your web browser, you're going to click on dashboard and you're going to look for API management on the left side panel. So basically, once you get to the API management option, you're going to click on create API in order to have the details you're looking for. So once you get it, you're going to come back here, put your API key and API secret and finalize it by clicking on secure import. This will complete the process and you can follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the steps.